Imagine this. You've got a strange pain in your stomach. Instead of calling your doctor, you hop onto ChatGPT and ask, "What's wrong with me?" In seconds, you get a confident-sounding answer. Maybe it's indigestion, or maybe it's something serious like colon cancer. Now here's the scary part. What if that answer is wrong? What if trusting AI instead of a real professional costs you your health, your money, or even your life? That's what we're diving into today. What ChatGPT can't tell you, why you still need real advisors, and the side effects of depending too much on AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Brain Fully Loaded channel. This weekend I watched a debate that really got me thinking, so I decided to dive into this topic before kicking off the AI Tools series. Today's topic is super important because while AI tools like ChatGPT are powerful and exciting, they also have serious blind spots. If you've ever wondered, can I just replace doctors, lawyers, or financial advisors with AI? Stick around. You might be shocked by what's missing. Let me say it again. AI is here to boost how you work, not to replace professionals. On our Brain Fully Loaded channel, we've got a playlist all about AI tools that can help you work smarter and more efficiently. Check out the playlist in the top right corner. ChatGPT feels like it knows everything. You ask, it answers instantly. But here's the truth. ChatGPT isn't searching the internet live. It's predicting words based on patterns in the data it was trained on. If you're curious about how AI is actually trained, don't miss our video, How AI Learns and the AI Brain Explained. Answer you get from artificial intelligence doesn't know the latest medical research. It can't diagnose your personal situation without a physical examination. The results won't be accurate since every body is different. It's like consulting it with a fake doctor, and it sometimes makes things up. This is called hallucination in AI terms. So when it comes to critical areas like health, law, or finances, artificial intelligence can give you a starting point, but not the whole picture. Let's take the carnivore diet as an example. If you ask ChatGPT, it might tell you this diet is trending, it has some supporters, and that people report weight loss and mental clarity. Sounds great, right? But what it won't emphasize enough is that long-term meat-only diets are linked with increased risks of osteoporosis, impaired kidney function, and nutritional deficiencies. That's not just a Google fact. It's from Dr. Howard, Chief Medical Editor, Harvard Health Publishing. Consider this as never recommended diet. Relying only on ChatGPT here could mean missing life-saving context. It's not just medical. Here are a few areas where ChatGPT isn't a replacement for real advisors. When it comes to law, ChatGPT might suggest how to fight a traffic ticket, but it can't give you actual legal advice tailored to your jurisdiction. Missteps here could cost you thousands in fines or even jail time. Finance. Sure, it can explain investing basics, but it can't analyze your tax bracket, your risk tolerance, or your long-term goals. Bad advice could leave you broke instead of building wealth. Mental health. You can vent to AI, but it's not a therapist. It can't pick up on the subtle cues of depression, trauma, or suicidal thoughts the way a trained human can. So what happens if we lean too heavily on AI for advice? Here are some side effects. False confidence. Believing AI answers are absolute truth. Think about this scenario. If you're following a poor business strategy and AI tells you it's fine, without considering the context or location of your business, you could end up on the wrong path, leading to failure. Delayed action, skipping doctors, lawyers, or therapists until it's too late. For instance, imagine you have stomach pain, and instead of getting it checked by a doctor, you only ask ChatGPT. If you miss the initial diagnosis, what might start as a simple discomfort could turn into something serious, like pancreatic cancer or an ulcer. Misinformation spread, repeating AI facts that might not be accurate. Imagine AI telling people that a certain herb or supplement cures diabetes. Someone trusts this advice and stops taking their prescribed medication. Not only is this misinformation dangerous, but it could also lead to serious health complications, even hospitalization. This is a real risk when AI provides confident-sounding but inaccurate information. Loss of human judgment. Forgetting that context, empathy, and ethics are uniquely human strengths, See this article. Now, don't get me wrong, AI is useful. It can summarize complex studies, help brainstorm questions to ask your doctor, provide quick overviews of topics, but think of it as a calculator for knowledge, not a replacement for wisdom. So the next time you're tempted to ask ChatGPT something like, "Should I start this extreme diet?" or "What medicine should I take?" remember, AI can guide your curiosity, but experts guide your life. What do you think? Have you ever caught ChatGPT giving you an answer that sounded right but wasn't? Drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. And if this video helped open your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's leaning too hard on AI for life decisions. At the end of the day, ChatGPT is a tool, not a teacher, not a doctor, not a lawyer, not your therapist. Even ChatGPT reminds us, ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important information. That's why it's important to treat it as a tool, not a replacement for real experts. Use it wisely, and you'll stay safe, informed, and empowered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.